Alright, so good morning to all my followers. This is Sponsor Lotto channel. Another opportunity again. Aseda Lotto, and this is my focus for you people this morning or for today. So this is a game that I've been following for some time now. So let's see what happens today. I saw this parking. You see, 364 parking. Yeah, there's one here. 364 parking. Now, at a point, this 364 will come and drop. At a point, they will come and drop. It drop here. So here too, I'm expecting that 364 will drop. Now, whilst you're expecting that 364 will drop, certain things must happen. Certain things must happen before the 364 drops. So this is what I've seen. This is my observation. Now, you come here, you see this 71. From 118 is this 47. This 71. From 118 is this number. So you come here, you see 74. Alright, from 118 is this 44 over here. You see this 74, from 118 is this number. Now, on where the 364 is parked, the first box number over there will be a 70 column. So here is 77. Then you come here, where the 364 is parked, the first box machine number on top of it is 74. Alright, so see something. If you subtract the 64 from this 70 column at first box, it's 13. Alright, so the 13, if added to this 71, will give you addition 84. So before the 364 come and drop, subtract the 364 from the first box machine number here, 60, there's a double 7, you get 13. 13 plus of this 71 will give you 84. So wait for that 13 and 84 to come and drop. When it drop, you see 59 centavos. When that happens, repeat the 13 and go and bring the 71. It's too direct. So come here. Okay, let me go over that again. I said that the 64 from the first box machine number here, double 7, you see, is 13. So if you add the 13 to, you see this 71 here and this 47, they are addition 118 figures. So if you subtract the 64 from the 77, you'll be getting 13. So if you add the 13 to this 71 over here, you get 84. So you wait for the 13 to first drop with the 84. Then following week, stick the 1371. Before the following week, you go and stick the single 364. So this is where we are now. Alright. So we'll come here and see something. So what do you do now? You wait for, since the first box machine number here is 74, now subtract the 64 from the 74. It's no longer 77. There's 77 there, but I don't use it. Subtract the 64 from the 74. You get what? 10. If you add a 10 to the 74 here, remember the 74 here represents the addition. It's added to this 44 here to give you addition 118. Alright, so if you subtract the 64 from the 74, you get 10. If you add a 10 to the 74, you should be getting addition 84. So wait for 1084 to drop first. 10 will come and drop with addition of the 84. If you add 10, subtract this 64 from this 74, you get 10. If you add a 10 to this number, you get 84. So wait for the 10 to drop with the 84. When it drop with the following week, the 10 must repeat against the 74 to give you addition of this 84. Like it happened, the 64 from the 77, 13, add the 13 to the 71, you get 84. So wait for the 1384 to drop. Following week, take the 1371. So here, 64 from the 74 here will give you 10. If you add a 10 to the 74 here, you get 84. So wait for the 1084 to drop. When it drops, 59 goes to machine center was. When that happens, following week, take the 1074 as too short. If that is able to drop, then the next following week, these two numbers, the Senate 34 will be your too short. But before then, today, 10 must beat against 74. Now, let's look for additional figures. Now, on top of the 3 over there, you see this 75 over here. And before the game starts setting, this 75 over here, from 163 will give you this double 8. You see, so come here and see something. On top of the 364, you get 89. From 163, you get 74. So the 74 first drop over here before the 59 came to center box. Alright, so this 75 minus of 52 will give you the 23 at last boss, where the 59 at center boss. This 75, the number from the 163, that number from minus of 52 will give you this 23 at last bus. Therefore, that number should be added. So when you come here, the number that went from 163 to give you 74, that number, that's 89 minus 52, gave you 37 at last bus. You see, therefore, you must add 89 to the numbers. You must add 89 to the numbers. Alright, so what next? The 59 also from this particular number. You see, this 75 from 163 gave you this double 8. So when the 75 is coming, now subtract this 59 from the double 8. You get 29. 29 from the 52 that you subtracted from the 75 that gave you this 23. You see, that 52. Write it down. That 52, write it down. So when you subtract 29 from the 59 from this double 8, we're getting 29. So the 29 from that 52 is the result that is 23 at last, but that 29 came. That 29 came. Alright, so come here and see something. So now the 89 that is subtracted from 163 to get this 74. Alright. So if 59 is a center box here, subtract 59 from the 74, you get 15. You see, so the 15, the 52 that is subtracted from the 89 over here to get this 37 at last box. Subtract this 59 from 74, get the 15. So the 15 from the 52 is the same as this 37 over here. So you add 15 to the numbers. You add 15 to the numbers. And now, so you got all the 4 numbers on the line. So the 61, I'm taking it to be the difference between the 3 and the 64. The difference between the 3 and 64. So I'm taking it to be that. So I'm just adding the 64 to the numbers. You see? And so, but let me go over the two short again so I understand. This 71, 47, 118. Then you see the parking over here. Now you see 70 column as first box. So first subtract. If you want to, if the 364, we are waiting for it. Before this my observation, before it will drop, subtract the 64 from the 77, you get 13. If you add a 13 to this 71, you get 84. So now wait for 1384 to drop. If you drop, 59 goes to machine center box. Follow week, go and take the 1371 to show. And then the other numbers that are added to it. So when you come here, it is 74 and 44, addition 118. 364 is packed. 70 column as per 74. Alright. So if before the 364 will drop, subtract this 64 from the 74, you get 10. Add the 10 to this 74, you'll be getting 84. So wait for the 1084 to drop. When the 1084 drops, 59 will go to machine. Therefore, repeat the 10 against the 74 as too sure. As too sure. So without much ado, my banker today, Aseda, is 10. 10 is my banker. 1074. 1074 is my tuition. Now, 1074 89 is my 3 direct. Then 1074 89 15. 1074 89 15. That's my best 4 numbers. Then I said that single 364, which is the difference, 61. If you want to add it, so it can be 10 74 89 15 and 61. So these are the best 5 numbers. So those of you who buy my paper, there's a little mistake on the paper today. So the banker was there, the 10 is there. Instead of the 1074, there was a typo error. It is 020 distance, so it is 10. It is not 20. You see, it is 10, not 20. So the 20 is a typo error. Alright, so there's some events in Monday here that I want to take you through. There's some events here that is playing. There's 7. You see 7. 1, 2, 3. Then you see 3, 3, 53. Follow week 36, 51, 84. Then we are here. Monday, it is Monday event 345. You see 7, 1, 2, 3. 3, 53. Follow week 36, 51. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we are here. So if you have money, pay this event. Now, so you come here, you see the same thing is happening here. There's 7 here. You see 7. So 1, 2, 3, 53, 33. 53, 33. Follow week 51, 36, 84. 3 numbers dropped. 7, 1, 2, 3, 53, 33. 51, 36, 84. This one. So if you go and check, you will see it. So this is the event. Man is special. So event 345. Thank you very much for another wonderful opportunity. Let's all happens this evening. God bless all of you for the patience and tenacity. Great being with you.